Most self-employed dentists think they must wait 2 years before applying for a mortgage. But is that really true? In this video, I'm breaking down what lenders are actually looking for and how some dentists are getting approved much quicker than you. Most self-employed dentists work incredibly hard to get to this point where they've left the NHS, taken the leap into a private practice, or even started locum work. You've invested time, you've invested money and reputation to create the freedom in your career. But when it comes to mortgages, that freedom can suddenly feel like a barrier. Now, traditionally, lenders like to see 2 full years worth of account before they'll even assess your income. And the reality is their way of checking that your earnings are stable and sustainable, and that last year wasn't just a lucky run. But here's the challenge: waiting 2 years could mean missing out on your dream home or watching interest rates climb while you're sitting on the sidelines. And on the flip side, rushing in without the right preparation could mean you get declined. It's a fine balance between timing and readiness. So the key things for you to look out for as a dentist are: 2 years is the standard, but it's not a final rule. Most high street lenders will ask for 2 years worth of accounts or tax calculations. But some high street lenders and specialist lenders, particularly who will understand professional clients like yourselves as dentists, can work with just 1 year's accounts, providing everything stacks up. And sometimes one strong year can outweigh 2 average ones. If your first year's income shows consistent income, a clear growth trajectory, and your accountant can project a stable outlook, some lenders can potentially take a view. That's not just looking at the numbers, they're looking at the patterns and your earning potential. And how you pay yourself matters. If you're a limited company dentist, lenders will usually look to use your salary plus dividends, but some will also consider retained profits, which could make a big difference in how much you can borrow if you're keeping money in your business. The key is knowing which lenders are flexible enough to see the full picture, and your accountant's presentation could make or break your case. I've seen this numerous times, and I've seen cases where 2 dentists who earn the identical income get different results simply because one accountant packaged the accounts more clearly. Lenders like clarity, clean, consistent numbers, build trust, and for you, planning ahead is key. Even if you're 6 months into self-employment, it's worth speaking to someone early. We can map out what you'll need, when you'll qualify, and what smart changes could strengthen your position. Sometimes it's as simple as how you draw your income or how you file your next tax. The biggest lesson that I've learned is that being self-employed doesn't put you at a disadvantage. It just means the route is slightly different. Dentists often underestimate how much flexibility certain lenders have. Now, when they understand your profession, it holds high value. So before assuming you have to wait 2 years, get a clear picture of where you stand. Sometimes you might be closer to being mortgage ready than what you think.